myself Wag GB, and I am going to start subject of engineering metrology. This is for diploma of mechanical engineer in second year, third semester. Learning outcomes: you will be able to know what is metrology. You will be able to know objectives of metrology. You will be able to know types of metrology. You will be able to know necessity of inspection. You will be able to know definition of accuracy, precision, sensitivity, readability, calibration, magnification, repeatability, reproducibility, hysteresis, drift, and resolution. You will be able to know errors in measurement. You will be able to know types of error. You will be able to know difference between systematic and random errors. What is metrology? Metrology is the science of measurement. For engineering purpose, it is restricted to measurement of length and angles and other quantities which are expressed in length or angular terms. इंजीनियरिंग पर्पस के लिए रिस्ट्रिक्टेड किया है मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ या फिर मेजरमेंट ऑफ एंगल के लिए. मेट्रोलॉजी इज ऑल्सो कंसर्न्ड विद द रिप्रोडक्शन, conservation and transfer of units of measurement and their standards. Metrology is also concerned with the industrial inspection and its various techniques. Objectives of metrology: the basic objectives of measurement is to provide the required accuracy at a minimum cost. बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? यह कि एक्यूरेसी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो, वो भी कम से कम कीमत पर, एट मिनिमम कॉस्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज द completion or complete evaluation of newly developed products. Second one, to ensure uniformity of measurement. आप कहीं पे भी जाओ, मेजरमेंट सेम मिलेगा. To carry out process capabilities studies to achieve better component tolerances. To ensure cost effective inspection and optimal use of available facilities. हमें जो कुछ भी फैसिलिटी मिली है उसमें कम से कम खर्चों पर ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव इंस्पेक्शन करना होगा. टू अडॉप्ट क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टेक्निक्स टू मिनिमाइज स्क्रैप रेट एंड रिवर्क. हमें क्वालिटी टेक्निक्स के मदद से हमें स्क्रैप को कम करना होगा और रिवर्क को भी कम करना होगा. टू establish inspection procedure from the design itself so that the measuring methods are standardized. हमें डिज़ाइन स्टेज से हमें इंस्पेक्शन शुरू कर देना चाहिए ताकि स्टैंडर्डाइज मेंटेन हो सके. सेवेंथ वन, to eliminate measuring instruments regularly in order to maintain accuracy in measurement. To calibrate measuring instruments regularly in order to maintain accuracy in measurement. Accuracy maintain करने के लिए हमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट को रेगुलरली कैलिब्रेट करना होगा. To resolve the measuring instrument to resolve the measurement problems that might arise in the shop floor. shop floor में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है उसे दूर करने के लिए हम इसका उपयोग करेंगे. To design gauges and special fixtures required to carry out inspection. फिक्सचर इंस्पेक्शन करने के लिए हमें गेजेस या फिर फिक्सचर बनाना पड़ सकता है। To investigate and eliminate different source of measuring errors. Legal metrology. Legal metrology applies to any application of metrology that is subjected to national laws or regulation. There will be mandatory and legal bindings on the units and methods of measurement and measuring instrument. यूनिट बंधनकारक होगा। The scope of legal metrology may vary considerably from one country to another. The main objective is to maintain uniformity of measurement in a particular country. लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी ये कंट्री टू कंट्री बदलते रहता है। एक कंट्री में एक ही तरह का यूनिट होगा। लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी इंश्योर्स द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड guarantees their accuracy in comparison with the international standards, thereby imparting proper accuracy to the secondary standards of the country. लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी क्या करता है कि इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड से नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड कंपेयर करता है और फिर बाद में वही सेकेंडरी स्टैंडर्ड को कंपेयर करता है। एप्लीकेशन ऑफ लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी आर इंडस्ट्रियल मेजरमेंट, कमर्शियल ट्रांजैक्शन एंड public health and human safety aspects. Industrial metrology is that in which part measurement is replaced by process measurement. In this system, the process is monitored and controlled by automatic sensor of various parameters. This technology is used for very high precision manufacturing machines and controls system to obtain accuracy in terms of nanotechnology. In the inspection or necessity of inspection, basically inspection is carried out to isolate and evaluate a specific design or quality attribute of a component or a product. Industrial inspection assumed importance because of mass production when involved in interchangeability, which involved interchangeability of parts. The various components that comes from different locations or industries are then assembled at another place. This necessitates that parts must be so assembled that satisfactory mating of any pair chosen at random is possible. In order to achieve this dimension of the component must be well within the prescribed limits to obtain required assemblies with a predetermined fit. मास प्रोडक्शन होने की वजह से इंस्पेक्शन ज़रूरी हो गया है। मास प्रोडक्शन कंपोनेंट जो अलग अलग जगह पर बनते हैं, बनकर तैयार होते हैं और फिर बाद में वही दूसरी जगह पर असेंबल्ड होते हैं। इसके लिए इंटरचेंजेबिलिटी एक ऐसी टेक्निक है जो कोई भी कंपोनेंट किसी भी कंपोनेंट के साथ असेंबल्ड हो सकती है। Necessity of inspection. The part, material or component conforms to the established or desired standard. Accomplish interchangeability of manufacture. Sustain customer goodwill by ensuring that no defective products reaches the customer. कस्टमर को कोई ख़राब चीज़ जानी नहीं चाहिए। reducing the cost of reject or rework through application of statistical control quality control techniques. Statistically quality control techniques. स्टैटिस्टिकल क्वालिटी कंट्रोल टेक्निक के वजह से हम रिवर्क और रिजेक्ट को कम कर सकते हैं. द पर्पज परचेज अ गुड क्वालिटी रॉ मटेरियल टूल एंड इक्विपमेंट दैट गवर्न्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. हमें अच्छे से अच्छे रॉ मटेरियल टूल सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी हम अच्छे वस्तु या फिर प्रोडक्ट बना सकेंगे. टेक द डिसीजन टू परफॉर्म रीवर्क ऑन डिफेक्टिव पार्ट्स, दैट इज टू एक्सेस द पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ मेकिंग सम ऑफ दीज पार्ट्स एक्सेप्टेबल आफ्टर माइनर रिपेयर्स. हमें डिसीजन लेना होगा कि डिफेक्टिव पार्ट्स अगर मामूली सा बदल करके रीयूज कर सके तो करना होगा. promote the spirit of competition which leads to manufacture of quality products in bulk by eliminating bottlenecks and adopting better production techniques. Accuracy. Accuracy is defined as the closeness of the measured value with the true value. Accuracy is the degree as accuracy is defined as the degree to achieve to which the measured value agrees with the true value. Practically, it is very difficult to measure the true value, and therefore a set of observation is made whose mean value is taken as the true value of the quantity measured. Precision. Precision is the degree to which an instrument gives repeated measurement of the same standard. Precision is the repeatability of the process. It refers to the process of measurement for the same characteristics taken under the identical conditions. If the instrument is not precise, it will give different result for the same dimensions when measured again and again. Now, difference between precision and accuracy. See figure 1. सर्कल के बाहर है, इसीलिए एक्यूरेट नहीं है, लेकिन प्रिसाइज है क्योंकि ये गुच्छे में है, इसलिए प्रिसाइज है. तो फिगर 1 में क्या है? प्रिसाइज बट नॉट एक्यूरेट. एक्यूरेट नहीं है लेकिन प्रिसाइज है. फिगर बी में क्या रहता है? ये सर्कल के अंदर है, बोले तो एक्यूरेट है बट नॉट प्रिसाइज क्योंकि ये स्पेसिंग दूर दूर है, इसीलिए नॉट प्रिसाइज. थर्ड कंडीशन में क्या है? सी फिगर में क्या है? ये सर्कल के बीच में है, इसीलिए प्रिसाइज है. एंड एक्यूरेट है क्योंकि ये बंच में है, स्पेसिंग बहुत ही कम है, इसीलिए ये प्रिसाइज है और ये एक्यूरेट है. एंड डी में आप फिगर देखोगे तो नॉट प्रिसाइज क्योंकि ये सर्कल के बाहर है, एंड नॉट एक्यूरेट, ये सर्कल के बाहर है और ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट स्पेस पे है, इसीलिए नॉट प्रिसाइज एंड नॉट एक्यूरेट. Sensitivity. Sensitivity may be defined as the rate of displacement of the indicating device of an instrument with respect to the measured quantity. Sensitivity of thermometer means that it is length of increase of the liquid per degree rise in temperature. More sensitivity means more noticeable expansion. In other words, sensitivity of an instrument is the ratio of scale spacing to the scale division value. For example, if on a dial indicator the scale spacing is 1 mm and the scale division value is 0.01 mm, then sensitivity is 100%. It is also called as amplification factor or gearing ratio. Readability. Readability refers to the ease with which the reading of a measuring instrument can be read. Fine and widely spaced graduations lines improved the readability. To make the micrometer more readable, they are provided with vernier scale or magnifying devices. Calibration. The calibration of any instrument is necessary to measure the quantity in terms of standard units. It is carried out by making adjustment such that the read out device produce zero output for zero input. The process whereby the magnitude of the output of a measuring instruments is related to the magnitude of the input force driving the instrument, that is adjusting a weight zero or adjusting a weight scale to zero when there is nothing on it. The accuracy of the instrument depends on the calibration. If the output of the measuring instrument is linear and repeatable, it can be easily calibrated. Magnification. Magnification is the process of enlarging something only in appearance, not in physical size, so that it is more readable. Increasing magnitude by using some arrangements so that the instruments becomes more readable is called as magnification. Readability. It is the ability of the measuring instruments to repeat the same result for the measurement for the same quantity when the measurement are carried out by the same observer with the same instrument under the same condition, without any change in location, without change in the method of measurement. The measurements are carried out in short intervals of time. Reproducibility. Reproducibility is the closeness of the agreement between the result of the measurement of the same quantity when individually measurement are carried out by different observer. Reproducibility by different observer by different methods using different instrument under different conditions, location, times, etc. Hysteresis. It is the difference between the indication of a measuring instrument when the same value of measured quantity is required or reached by increasing or decreasing that quantity. It is caused by friction, slack slag motion in the bearing and gear, elastic deformation, magnetic and thermal effect. Drift. An instrument is used to have no drift if it reproduce the same reading at different times for same variation in measured quantity. Drift means stability. Drift is an instrument calibration to maintain its calibration over a period of time. It is caused by wear and tear, high stress developed at some parts, etc. Resolution. It is the minimum change in measured variable which reproduce an effective response of the instrument. Smallest division that can be read on an instrument. Errors in measurement. It is never possible to measure the true value of a dimension. There is always some error. The errors in the measurement is the difference between the measured value and the true value of measured dimensions. The errors in measurement may be expressed either as an absolute error or as relative error. Industrial metrology. Industrial metrology is that in which part measurement is replaced by process measurement. In this system, the process is monitored and controlled by automatic sensor of various parameters. This technology is used for very high precision manufacturing machines and controls system to obtain accuracy in terms of nanotechnology. Calibration. The calibration of any instrument is necessary to measure the quantity in terms of standard units. It is carried out by making adjustment such that the read out device produce zero output for zero input. The process whereby the magnitude of the output of a measuring instruments is related to the magnitude of the input force driving the instrument, that is adjusting a weight zero or adjusting a weight scale to zero when there is nothing on it. The accuracy of the instrument depends on the calibration. If the output of the measuring instrument is linear and repeatable, it can be easily calibrated.